Hi, this is Joanne Allenbaugh for Pork Network, and I'm talking with Dr. Lisa Becton, who is with the National Pork Board. Lisa, tell me exactly what your title is there.
Sure. My title is Director of Swine Health Information and Research.
And Lisa is going to be giving a presentation this morning on Porcine Epidemic Diarrhea Virus. And Lisa, if you can just kind of give us a preview of what you're going to be talking about and an update on PED and what's happening with that virus.
Well, what I'm going to be covering is just some basics of the disease and some of our media interviews that we've done, because it seems to have garnered a lot of attention in non-agricultural media outlets. So we've been dealing with that. The others is just to give an update on how many states and how many cases. We do have an update that's about 15 different states now have positive cases and about 334 different cases that are identified. So we'll be covering some more of those details and then covering some of the things such as research that's been recently funded, as well as the epidemiologic investigation that's ongoing with the American Association of Swine Veterinarians, and then also some other investigations that will occur here very shortly too.
So I know from what I've been reading about it, we know that it's in 15 states, but it's hard to get a handle on how many pigs that's affecting, and I'm wondering if that's partly why the national news has picked this up, worrying about our pork prices going to go up, how many herds, how many actual pigs are affected. Do we have any kind of a handle on that?
At this point in time, we do not. The only information that's being collected is the number of cases and even in the state data. We don't really have what size of farm it is, or we do have a little bit of understanding of what type of farm, whether it's a sow farm or grow finish, but we do not know size. So really, without knowing that, there really is no way to estimate what the impact would be. And literally, it would be just that, an estimate or even a guesstimate.
Sure. Some of the veterinarians who are here at this meeting have said whenever they have a producer who says, I think there's a diarrhea issue on their farm with their pigs, what are some things that they can do in that case right away that can minimize the effect of the disease?
Well, one of the things that we used to recommend was to relatively stop movements. So if you have a litter of pigs, if it's in farrowing, to not sort those litters and let them stay on the mom. We do other things such as apply lime to help absorb the scours, so that way you're not tracking it from pig to pig or even from room to room. So really it's more localized methods to prevent the spread of a disease. But the main thing is you do want to contact a veterinarian to get it confirmed, because a lot of these diarrheal diseases look the same, so it is really good to get a confirmed diagnosis, and then you know for sure what you're dealing with.
Again, this is Dr. Lisa Becton with the National Pork Board, and this is Joanne Allenbaugh reporting for Pork Network. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me.